So the much awaited Tops haul is finally here. I am super excited to create this for you guys because I know that so many of you have been requesting it for the past couple of days, maybe weeks as well. So I'm finally filming this for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, if you're just popping out here for the first time, hi, I'm Ishita and I make videos about fashion, styling and lifestyle. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. You can also find me on Instagram. I post daily outfit inspirations over there with exact product codes, and I know that a lot of you keep asking me for links to the outfits that I wear. You'll find all of that out there, so do follow me there too. So jumping right into the haul, I try to pick out different styles for this particular haul so that you guys could get a variety of tops to shop from, and all the product links as usual will be in the description box. But this time, instead of individual links to each of the tops, you're going to find one single link that will redirect you to my custom stall where you'll find all the tops right there in front of you, so it's easier for you to shop, like see all of them all together and shop for yourself. So you'll find that link down below. And having said that, let's jump right into the video.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me?
Let's start off with the first top that I got. This is a pretty basic black ribbed top. The material here is ribbed and I absolutely love this kind of material. I found a similar black tee in Zara, but it was obviously much cheaper in H&M. So I picked it up from Myntra, and you will have to wear a strapless bra with it, and ideally, like how I imagine wearing this would be with a high-waisted wide leg blue jeans. But it's such a versatile piece that you should have in your wardrobe and literally can pair it with anything that you want. In fact, recently I wore it with a polka dot skirt on Instagram. I'm going to put the picture right here, and it looks really cute. So highly recommend that you get this one for yourself. Moving on to the second top. This one is a white colored halter neck top from Trendyol collection. This is a new brand that I came across on Myntra, and like I said, all these tops I picked up under 1,000. I will mention the exact prices on the screen. Quality wise, it is pretty decent quality. It's made of cotton, but it's a little flimsy, I'd say. May not be the best quality out there, but for the price I think it's pretty nice. It's halter neck, of course. Again, you have to wear a strapless bra with this one. This can be paired with black jeans like I'm wearing, or even a skirt, pants, trousers, anything. And I think it's a very cute top, especially if you want to show off your shoulders, if you like to draw attention to your collarbones. This would be a great top for that. The next top, and this one is actually one of my favorites from the entire haul, is this one from Sassafras. Talking about the material, it's a little polyester-y, so obviously not the best material out there, but the color tones is very pleasant to look at, and I don't have something like this in my wardrobe, which is why I picked it up. And honestly, it looks very pretty, very girly, very girl next door, which is totally my vibe, and I highly recommend that you get this one as well. Super cute, really like this top. Moving on, the next top that I got was from H&M. This was a crop top with a graphic thing going on here. It says all is love, and I'm actually trying to make a collection of graphic tees. I think they look really nice, really good for casual and everyday street style outfits, but I found that this top was a little too cropped for me. Like if I put my hand up, the crop top is just gonna slide up, probably because I'm a little heavy chested. If you're not, that may not be an issue that you have to face. Otherwise, for like a casual everyday thing, it's a pretty cool top. The only issue I have with it is that it's too cropped for me. So before I move on to the rest of the tops, I quickly want to share with you guys the accessories that I'm wearing. In fact, the watch that I'm wearing and the necklace and the bracelet that you must have seen throughout the video is from Daniel Wellington. Now, every time I post a photo on Instagram or I wear something in one of my videos over here on YouTube, at least one person asks me where they are from or some details about it. So all of these are actually from Daniel Wellington, and to those of you who always ask me these questions, I have something super exciting exciting for you. I'm going live on Daniel Wellington's website on the 6th of August, where you all can join in and ask me questions. It's going to be basically a mix of a get to know me, plus you get to shop live. So I'm going to be sharing my favorites from their collection during that live session. And if you like anything, you can actually shop live, instantly over there with an exclusive discount code, which I will reveal during the live session. So all the details will be in the description box. You all should set your reminders because it's going to be a fun live. And you guys can also let me know in the comments down below any questions you want me to answer during the live session. Of course, you can pop in during the live and ask me those questions live as well. So yeah, I quickly just want to share that with you guys. Now let's move on to the rest of the haul. Next up, I have this spaghetti top from Dressberry. It is made of polyester and it's a very easy breezy, just slip it on if you're stepping out for coffee or groceries or just quickly want to step out. This is a great top for that, great for summers as well. Obviously it's a little flimsy because it's like polyester, but if you're feeling too hot or if you live in a place where it's too hot, this would be a great top. You can pair it with something white. I think it'll look the best with that, but otherwise your casual jeans, any sort of bottoms, it'll go with that. Next top in my haul is also from Sassafras, and I've been really digging this style of tops lately. I have like one or two more. You get a lot of these in Mango, so I have picked up a couple of those from there as well. And probably I like this because it accentuates my shoulders again, and like you guys must have noticed, I love showing off my collarbones and shoulders because I do feel like that's a good feature of my body. And because it's floral, it's good for like the current season. You can tuck it in or just put it on as is. And the material of this is Georgette, so I think it's a pretty good material. I don't find it flimsy at all. It's actually pretty good quality. Moving on to the second last top of this haul. This is actually from a brand called Casually, and honestly this is not my personal style. Like I wouldn't have personally picked up something like this, but I did want to experiment with something. So this is obviously animal print with puff sleeves, and it's also got a little bit of lace going on here. Because of the buttons, it does give a little bit of like a corset style fit. I would suggest wearing it obviously for a night out. The material is okayish. I mean, it's polyester, so it's like a very Shein material. But if you are into animal prints, I think you can pick this up. Not a huge fan because the buttons are pretty wide apart. So definitely not the best purchase, I'd say. But if you do like puff sleeves or animal print, you can give this a try. Now the last top of this haul is from a brand called Oxo Loxo. I have picked up stuff from there before and I have been pretty satisfied with it, but this one, even though it's very good quality, it's actually cotton. And it's the smoked type top, like from the back it has a smoked type style, which I really like. I love the print as well. The only issue with it, which I think was the major issue, is that it's super loose. I ordered this in a small size, which is my usual size, and like the entire area is like really loose. It falls off and does not look good at all. I mean, it wasn't looking good on camera either, so I didn't even take a shot of that to show you guys. But if you really want to get this, I'd say you have to size down big time. But it's something to do with the sleeves. I think they're pretty huge, or the elastic sort of is not tight enough, which is why I don't recommend this top. But maybe you can give it a try. Maybe the piece that I got was not the best piece because of the elastic might have become loose. So but do size down if you do want to pick this up for yourself. So that was it with the entire haul. There were about, I think, 7 or 8 tops. All the sizes that I bought them in are small. That's my regular size. Like I said, you will find the link in the description box that will take you to all these tops all together in front of you. So it will become easy for you to shop as well. And do let me know in the comments down below if that is something you actually liked, or you prefer my usual putting each individual link for each individual top. Do let me know in the comments because I do want to hear from you guys and accordingly change the way I share those links with you guys. And like I mentioned, my live on the Daniel Wellington website is on the 6th of August, where I'll be sharing my favorite accessories and a little get to know me Q&A session as well. So make sure you catch me over there. I will obviously mention the details in the description box. And if you guys like this video, if you guys found this helpful, if you like my recommendations, Please do hit that like, share and subscribe button. Keep coming back to my channel. I create videos every week. You will see new content on my channel every week. Also, in case you guys are wondering, which I'm sure a lot of you might be, the top that I'm wearing is from Zara. I will drop the link down below, but in all probability it is out of stock. And that is it for now. I am gonna sign off and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.